Today, you're going to complete your full-day English shadowing challenge. In part 1, you practiced 30 powerful sentences from waking up to arriving at work. But now we're jumping into the best part, your evening and bedtime routine. These are the sentences native speakers say when the day slows down and the most natural English comes out. If you already shadowed part 1, that's great. If not, don't worry. You can always do the morning routine later. Right now, just focus on this part, and let's keep shadowing. Here's what we're doing today. 10 evening routine sentences, 10 bedtime sentences, and 5 vocabulary secrets that make you sound natural. Hit that like button if you're ready to shadow with me. Let's start with my evening routine. Shadow every sentence with me. Here we go. I finish work and say goodbye to everyone. I finish work and say goodbye to everyone. I take the same bus back home. I take the same bus back home. I stop at the grocery store on my way. I stop at the grocery store on my way. I buy milk, bread, and fresh vegetables. I buy milk, bread, and fresh vegetables. I cook dinner in my small kitchen. I cook dinner in my small kitchen. I eat dinner while watching my favorite TV show. I eat dinner while watching my favorite TV show. I call my parents to ask about their day. I call my parents to ask about their day. I do some light exercise in my living room. I do some light exercise in my living room. I read a few pages of an interesting book. I read a few pages of an interesting book. I prepare everything for tomorrow morning. I prepare everything for tomorrow morning. Great job! These evening sentences are so useful for daily conversation. Now let's move to bedtime. Time for my bedtime routine. Shadow these peaceful sentences with me. I take a warm shower before going to bed. I take a warm shower before going to bed. I put on my comfortable pajamas. I put on my comfortable pajamas. I brush my teeth one more time. I brush my teeth one more time. I set my alarm clock for 7 o'clock. I set my alarm clock for 7 o'clock. I turn off all the lights in the apartment. I turn off all the lights in the apartment. I check that the front door is locked. I check that the front door is locked. I get into bed and pull up the blankets. I get into bed and pull up the blankets. I think about the good things that happened today. I think about the good things that happened today. I close my eyes and try to fall asleep. I close my eyes and try to fall asleep. I sleep peacefully until morning comes again. I sleep peacefully until morning comes again. Excellent! You now have 50 daily routine sentences. Morning routine done, evening routine done. You're building real speaking habits, one sentence at a time. But we're not done yet. Now let me share 5 vocabulary secrets that will make your English sound even more natural. These 5 secrets will make your English sound much more natural. Secret number 1, say sharp for exact time. Instead of at 8:30, say 8:30 sharp. It sounds more native. Secret, use grab instead of take. Say, I grab my keys. It's better than I take my keys. Secret 3, use check instead of look at. Say, I check my phone, not I look at my phone. Secret 4, use turn on and turn off, like turn on the coffee machine, turn off the lights. Super useful. Secret 5, say get into bed, not go to bed. When you lie down, natives say I get into bed. Practice these 5 secrets and your English will sound so much better starting today. Amazing work! Today you learned 20 new sentences for evening and bedtime, 5 vocabulary secrets, and how to talk about your complete day in English. Your homework? Practice part 1 and part 2 every day this week. By day 7, these sentences will come out naturally. Comment challenge? Write about your evening routine using today's sentences. I read every comment and I love seeing your progress. Don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with Aisell. We're making English simple and useful. If this helped you, share it with a friend who wants to improve their English too. Thank you for shadowing with me today. Keep practicing and I'll see you next week. Remember, practice makes perfect.